Hi friends, it's Tech Expert Neil and you are watching HowISolve.com. In today's video, I'll show you how you can use OBS in vertical mode. Using this setup, you can easily create TikTok videos, Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So this is my OBS Studio software and you can see in this I've got several scenes, but these scenes have been set up for horizontal video. So to convert these scenes to vertical format, there is no single setting available in OBS software. But there is a trick using which we can use a function in OBS with which you can convert the scenes into vertical videos. So the trick is, first you need to create a duplicate profile. So simply click on the profile over here and click on duplicate, and then here name it anything which you can remember. I'll name it vertical and then hit OK. So what this will do is it will create a duplicate settings for the profile. This preset basically saves your program settings, and we are creating this profile because we need to change one setting in this. So we'll head to that setting over here, click on settings, and in this you have to go in video. In this you have to change the base canvas resolution as well as the output scale resolution. As you can see, at present it is on 16:9 aspect ratio. We just have to interchange the value. That is, we want it from 9:16 ratio. That will be the vertical format. So you simply have to click on this and you have to type, because originally in the stored preset this is not available. So we'll type it out and simply copy this and paste it over here. So this will fix the resolution part of it. So we'll click apply, and now you can see over here the resolution has been changed. Okay, and I'll just enable some capturing, as you can see, but the scenes actually have been configured for horizontal viewing. So you have to manually configure the scenes. So to do that, we'll now create a new preset for the scenes. To do that, click on the scene collection menu and then again click on duplicate and again name it appropriately. I'll again name it vertical and then hit OK. Now all the scene that you had created for your horizontal video recording has been copied to this new preset, and now you can configure the scenes for your vertical alignment. So for example, in this I have got a mobile layout, as you can see over here, but this is not in the scene properly adjusted because this I have configured based on a horizontal layout. So we'll now configure the scene. So as you can see, this is the mobile layout which I have to reconfigure. So suppose in the vertical video, I want this to be at the top over here. So basically you have to realign all the scene sources to suit your vertical layout. Once you do that, now you can shift back to your horizontal view by simply going on profile and then clicking on the default profile. In my case, I have renamed the default profile to HowISolve. In your case, it will show as default. To make it even more clear, you can rename the default profile to horizontal. So switch to your default profile, and in the scene also the same thing. You have to shift from vertical to default. So now you can easily shift from horizontal recording in OBS to vertical recording. You simply have to click on profile, click on vertical, and in scene collection to vertical, and there you go. That's how easy to record vertical videos from OBS. I hope friends you like this video. If yes, smack that like button, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel HowISolve.com. I provide informative tech tips, tutorials, product reviews. So if you like this type of content, make sure to hit that bell icon to get notified as soon as I release a new video. Thanks for watching friends. This is Neil signing off. Bye bye.